Does building financial freedom require capital? And is there a provider of financial capital to build a business? Okay, I will tell you the answer in this video, and I will thoroughly examine the problems and questions that you might want to know. So, watch this video until it's finished. Hello and greetings, best friend. I'm Sophie. Have a nice day. Come back with me on the Financial Business and Investment Education channel. Channel who will undoubtedly always share knowledge and insight for you to follow. Is that mandatory? If you want to be successful, then this is the place for you to study and watch videos, which are certainly useful, and don't waste your time in find friend because it will make you lost. Financial capital can provide individuals and organizations with the means to achieve their goals and aspirations. Whether it's starting a business, buying a home, or investing in stock, financial capital can be a powerful tool for creating wealth and realizing dreams. With proper management and investment, financial capital can grow and multiply, providing opportunities for greater financial security and prosperity. Additionally, access to financial capital can promote economic growth and development by creating jobs and supporting communities. By learning about and utilizing financial capital wisely, individuals and organizations can pave the way for a brighter financial future. Financial capital has many benefits. What are these? See the following explanation regarding financial capital.
Definition: Financial capital. Financial capital refers to monetary resources such as cash, investment, and credit that individuals, business, and government use to finance their activities and investment. Financial capital can be used to buy assets, pay off debt, invest in new business, and fund day-to-day operations. Financial capital is often measured in terms of money or currency and can be obtained through various means such as saving, loans, investment, and crowdfunding. There are several ways to obtain financial capital, including: Number 1. Savings. Saving money from your income is a great way to build financial capital over time. By putting aside a portion of your earnings each month, you can gradually accumulate a significant amount of financial capital. Number 2. Loans. You can obtain financial capital by taking out a loan from a bank or other lending institution. Loans are typically secured by collateral, such as property or asset, and can provide access to significant amount of capital. Number 3. Investment. You can invest your financial capital in stock, bonds, real estate, or other assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. Investment can be risky, but it can also provide substantial return if done correctly. Number 4. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms allow individuals and organizations to raise financial capital from a large number of people, typically through small contributions. This can be a useful option for startups or small businesses that don't have access to traditional lending or investment channels. It's important to remember that obtaining financial capital requires careful planning and consideration, as well as a commitment to responsible financial management. Of course, after we get the capital, we must first know what the benefits of financial capital are. Financial capital can provide a number of benefits to individuals, business, and the economy, including: Number 1. Investment. Financial capital can be used to invest in new ventures, research and development, or other growth opportunities, providing the potential for increased revenue and profitability. Number 2. Liquidity. Financial capital can be easily converted into cash or other forms of payment, providing individuals and business with the ability to quickly access funds when needed. Number 3. Risk management. Financial capital can be used to mitigate risk through diversification, insurance, or other forms of financial protection. Number 4. Economic growth. Access to financial markets can help the economic growth by providing loans for new business, infrastructure, and other investment that can lead to job growth and economic growth. Number 5. Wealth creation. Individuals and business can achieve financial security and stability by investing in and expanding their financial options. Number 6. Flexibility. Financial modes can provide individuals and business with the ability to learn new skills and adapt to changing circumstances. Overall, financial capital can be a valuable resource for achieving personal and business goals, promoting economic growth, and creating wealth and financial security. There are several sources where individuals and business can borrow financial capital funds, including: Number 1. Bank and credit unions. These financial institutions offer a variety of loans, such as personal loans, business loans, and lines of credit, which can provide access to financial capital. The amount that can be borrowed depends on the borrower's creditworthiness, income, collateral, and other factors. Number 2. Peer-to-peer lending platforms. These platforms connect borrowers directly with individual lenders who are willing to provide loans. The amount that can be borrowed depends on the borrower's creditworthiness and the lending platform's policies. Number 3. Credit cards. Credit cards can provide access to short-term financial capital by allowing the borrower to make purchases on credit. The amount that can be borrowed depends on the borrower's credit limit and repayment history. The amount of financial capital that can be borrowed depends on the borrower's creditworthiness, income, collateral, and the lender's policies. It can range from a few $1,000s to millions of dollars, depending on the purpose on the loan, the borrower's financial situation, and the lender's willingness to take on risk. It's important to carefully evaluate the terms and conditions of any loan and ensure that the borrower can afford to make the required payment.
Okay friends, so it's pretty clear and complete, huh? An explanation from this video about financial capital, starting with understanding it, how to get it, and its benefits. Or maybe there are some conversations that are not clear. You can comment and ask in the comment section of this video. Okay? Enough videos and explanation from me. I hope this helped you. Bye.